In this video, we are going to show you how to tag and categorize content in Poppy AI. Now, it's quite simple. All we need to do is create groups. So once you open a board, right, you want to look towards your left-hand side, which is your main menu here. At the very bottom, the folder icon, if you hover your mouse, it says group or G, right? So click this or press G to create a new group. So by default, it's going to be group 1. And the label group 1 is going to be highlighted by blue, which means automatically you can actually immediately rename this. For example, we're gonna, create some categories for Minnesota real estate, right? For this video, for example, and I'm gonna label this Min YouTube videos, right? So that is for YouTube videos about Minnesota real estate. So I'm just going to get, some. So we're just gonna click share, copy, right? And this video is going to go here because it's a YouTube video for Minnesota real estate. So it ends up here, right? And I'm just going to copy others, right? So for example, this one doesn't matter what. Again, this is just an example, but you kind of get what I'm trying to say, right? So paste it here. So you have 2 already, and then you want to click group 2 if you want to have more categories. So for example, Minnesota or Min realtors. So we want to have links to Minnesota real estate agents, right? So as you can see here, we already Googled that, and we can just click any of these, right? Click website, copy link address, paste it here. There we go. Do the same thing for Premier Real Estate. Click that, copy link address, post it here. And that is pretty much how you categorize or tag each element that you're going to use in Poppy AI. And this is the best way to use Poppy because it's not cluttered. A lot of people do this, right? They just do everything and then they connect everything, right? They connect everything like this to the Poppy chat. But it's better to categorize everything because it's just going to make your time much more easier in Poppy AI. So if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.